back to my channel. Welcome to Color Week. Now if you're a new subscriber or you just clicked on this video and you're like, what is Color Week? Basically, I started Color Week a few years ago. I love bright, colorful hair. It's just so fun, especially on us black women. I love how it looks on our skin tones. So I created this segment on my channel called Color Week. For the whole week, I show you guys new wigs that are just out that are colorful. Today, we are doing this really beautiful white hair color, and I am obsessed with white. The last time I did white, that's my cat, if you hear that. The last time I did white was in 2018. That was the last time I did white, and it was like really white. And it wasn't the best quality of synthetic wig because back then it wasn't really good quality, but now the quality is like A1. Today's collaboration is with ebonyline.com. That's where I received this wig from. I always shop on ebonyline.com even when I'm not collaborating with them. I love Ebonyline. They always ship your stuff out fast. They always have it in stock. Well, yes, they always have it in stock if you get it early. When I'm looking for new wigs, go straight to ebonyline.com, and they always have like the newest wigs that are out. If you go to other wig stores, they don't have the new wigs on their site yet. Like Ebonyline is just really fast. So that's why that's my go-to when it comes to like getting the newer wigs. I don't want to talk your ear off. I just want to get right into showing you guys this first wig that we have. So this wig is from Outre, and it's their Perfect Hairline Swoop Series Lace Frontal Wig. This is the box that it comes in. So on the back it says it's fully hand-tied 13x4 frontal, ear-to-ear, soft HD lace, transparent lace. On the side it has a natural contour for realistic hairline, no customization required, combs for security. The back is wide adjustable elastic band for glueless install, so you can wear this glueless. So all my glueless ladies that don't got time for the glue and all that, this is for you. They have a back comb to secure fit. The hairline is pre-plucked, gradual hairline, baby hairs included. Okay. As I said in the beginning of the video, it has two small clips in the front. It has one large clip in the back. It has a band, elastic band in the middle, which you can use so it can be glueless. And it comes with its regular wig clips, wig straps that all wigs come with in the back. So I'm gonna strap that up because I like my wigs to be tight. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait, damn it. One of the straps done came loose. Just get some comb into this so we can see what I'm working with here. Because it's just a lot going on. Oh, goodness. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, my goodness. The way it feels, y'all, is like, it's so soft. Like, oh, my gosh. It feels like black hair when it's blown out. Like, it doesn't feel like a synthetic wig. It feels human. This is crazy. All right, let me go ahead and comb this side. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't even think I need to tint this lace, y'all. I really am serious about this. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I'm gonna cut it because I wanna see something first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. And you guys know I leave like about 1 inch on. At all. Like, I cut the lace and you can't even see the lace after I cut it. And then when I use my but I'm gonna use Esha's Melt and Slay because I'm doing a glueless look because I'm doing a lot of looks, as you guys know, and I don't wear my wigs long term, so I don't really use a lot of glue nowadays unless I'm like going away on vacation. Then I'll use glue, but normally nowadays this is like my go-to because it's a glueless spray. Literally you spray it and it keeps the wig nice and snug, but it's also easy to come off. It's not like a struggle and it's like glue on your forehead and all that other stuff. So this is what I'm going to be using today. So once I put this in, it literally melts the lace. So you don't have to worry about you seeing the lace right now. But you don't have to tint anything. I didn't tint anything and the lace looks great. So far so good. I'm not even tinting the lace. So this might be a really fast video. I just installed this hair. Like literally, I didn't do baby hairs or anything like that, but it's glued down to my head. It feels so secure with the clips plus the band plus Esha's Melt and Slay. Sorry. Especially with Esha's Melt and Slay, it just feels so snug on my head. Guys, the hairline is like, oh my gosh, the hairline. It melts so good into the skin, like, oh my gosh, so it feels so snug on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and part it in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and add some edges, and it already comes with baby hair, so it's not much you have to do. But they're long, so you have to cut them, unless you're gonna have full grown edges. So you can see you gotta cut them. I think this is the end of the video. Oh my gosh. So the hair is absolutely stunning. Outre, I don't know who's, listen, Outre, you're really doing your thing. We gotta give Outre a round of applause. Look at the front piece. Look at this, yo. Look at this front piece. Look when I look down. Look at this. Okay? I love look at the sides. Okay? Look at this side. Okay? So it's so contoured on the side to really fit. I didn't even have to cut off, you know how like when you get synthetic wigs, you gotta cut off the ear part, which I taught you guys, because so you can see your ear. You know, you don't want to have a wig on top of your ear, because that's when it starts to feel like a costume. It starts to feel like a hat. You want it to fit your head. So you always have to make sure your ear can come out. I didn't even have to cut the earpieces off. The earpieces were already like cut and nice and neat for my head size. Go ahead and stand up for you guys and show you how the hair is looking. It's not as layered as it is in the photo. As you can see, let me just show you an example. This is the model right here. As you can see, her wig is like super, like it's super like, you know, I thought it was gonna come like super, you know, it's not as much. I mean, probably she probably put a lot of styling, probably styling spray in here. I could probably do the same if I wanted to. I don't really feel like I want to, but if you want to, you can add some holding spray and kind of just like kind of put it in that direction where it stays like this. And then it's also a photo shoot, so I'm pretty sure they probably added holding spray and then kind of like held it like this, and then she took the picture. Obviously in real life, when you're moving your head around, it's not going to stay like that. So that's probably for picture purposes why it looks so neat and so like layered. But you can make it like that if you add some holding spray, as you can see. Lace or any things, if it's a little bit bulky, it's because my braids are a little bit bulky, I can't braid. But this is how it looks from the back. I need you guys to go out and get this wig and wear it and tag me in it. Obviously tag Outre and tag Ebony Line and tag me in it, because I want to see you slaying this wig. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with it. I just can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I can't. And my piercings are doing really well as well, so I'm happy. Anyway, this video is too long, but thank you guys so much for watching. This is the first installment to Color Week. Lots more to come. I'm excited. I wonder what color I'm doing tomorrow. Let me know in the comments below what color you think I'm doing tomorrow. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this hair. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.